Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your BMW i3. First, let's cover the iDrive system reset. This simple soft reset can often fix minor infotainment issues like frozen screens or unresponsive controls. To perform it, simply press and hold the volume button on your iDrive controller for about 30 seconds. You'll see the screen briefly turn off and then restart, indicating the reset is complete. It's a quick and easy first step for many electronic quirks. Next, for a more comprehensive reset, you can disconnect the 12-volt battery. This action effectively resets many electronic control units throughout the vehicle. You'll find the 12-volt battery conveniently located under the front hood. Using a 10mm wrench, carefully disconnect the negative terminal first. It's crucial to wait for at least 15 minutes before reconnecting the battery to ensure all systems fully discharge and reset properly. This can resolve deeper electrical issues. Now let's talk about resetting your tire pressure monitoring system, or TPMS. This is important to do after adjusting your tire pressure, rotating your tires, or replacing a tire. To begin, navigate to My Vehicle within your iDrive menu. From there, select Vehicle Status and then Tire Pressure Monitor. Finally, choose Perform Reset and drive your i3 for a few minutes at a speed above 20 miles per hour for the system to recalibrate. It's a simple process. Finally, we'll cover how to reset your service interval indicators. This is necessary after you've performed routine maintenance, like brake fluid changes or general vehicle inspections. To start, press and hold the odometer reset button on your instrument cluster for about 10 seconds. You'll then be able to cycle through various service options using the same button until the desired service appears. Hold the button once more to confirm and reset that specific interval. This keeps your service reminders accurate.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.